Basically, to get around Surrey Hills, you have to drive. So I have to rent a car. I've never driven on this side of the road, and I've never driven a manual before, so let's see how this goes. Okay, well, seatbelt's not on that side anymore. I'm gonna stall. The first time I ever tried to put it, let's see. I don't know where reverse is on this car. I cannot find reverse, but we don't need it right now. Oh, I didn't have clutch all the way down. Now it's in first gear. Put off the brake. Whew. Okay, definitely stalled. Uh-oh, we're driving. We were driving with the parking brake on. We are in first gear. Do a U-turn. Whoops, stalled it again. This is really bad. I can't get this thing in reverse. Fucking mother. So embarrassing. Ah, fucking motherfucker. I'm not. I can't get this thing in reverse to save my life. Like, I haven't driven a stick in so long.
That's it, it's in reverse now. So it's up on there.
Oh!
And then back.
I can see you were struggling. Thank you so much. You have to pull up on the thing to get it in reverse. Now I'm in reverse. Still have the park brake on. Nice and easy. Ooh, we did it. We got it in reverse because of a nice man, not because of our own skills. Ah. Ooh. Didn't sound good, whatever I just did. Sorry. Nope, someone called me a prick already, that's good. I'm really glad that I only rented, oh, I got an English lady to call me a prick already though. That's something, they're nice people.